Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this cute bob on Dress to Impress. Please ignore the back. Okay, so for this one, I use this hair in black, no adjustments made. Then I use this hair in the black color, position the Y to 0.24, Z 0.89, and scale it to 1. Grab this hair in only bangs, no adjustments made. And then lastly, we just need this hair in only bangs, position the Y to 0.35, Z 0.81, rotate the X to 0.97, and scale it to 1. You can also add this headband, this thick one, in these adjustments, position the same, rotate the X to 0.53, and scale it to 0.34. And yeah, that is pretty much how you can create the super cute bangs on Dress to Impress. Super cute bob on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.